Do you make breakfast every day? Then you can speak English every day. Let's go to the kitchen together. Real phrases, real mornings, real English. Welcome to Shadowing for Real Life Day 3. Today you'll hear what English sounds like in a real kitchen while making breakfast. No grammar, no pressure. Just real English you can actually say today. We'll start with a story. Then we'll say each phrase together. Listen, repeat. Use your voice. Story: kitchen and breakfast. I walk into the kitchen and turn on the lights. It's still quiet. The sun is barely coming in through the window. I yawn, stretch, and head straight for the kettle. I fill it with water and put it on to boil. Coffee first, always. I open the fridge and grab some eggs. I check the expiration date. Still good. I crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them with a fork. I put some bread in the toaster. I take a pan and set it on the stove. I add a little oil and wait until it heats up. Then I pour in the eggs. They sizzle. I stir the eggs slowly. Scrambled eggs today. I check the toast. It's done. I spread a little butter on it. Still warm. Smells amazing. I open the cupboard, take out a plate, and set everything down. Eggs, toast, and coffee. Simple, but perfect. I sit at the table and take a deep breath. Mornings like this are my favorite. No rush, just quiet. I take the first bite. Yum, I needed this. Let's eat. Shadowing. Practice these phrases with me. Now let's repeat the phrases from this kitchen story. One by one, slow first, then more natural. Say them out loud with me. I walk into the kitchen. Repeat. I walk into the kitchen. I turn on the lights. Say it again. I turn on the lights. The sun is coming in. Repeat. The sun is coming in. I yawn and stretch. Say it with me. I yawn and stretch. I fill the kettle with water. Repeat. I fill the kettle with water. I put the kettle on to boil. Say it again. I put the kettle on to boil. I open the fridge. Repeat. I open the fridge. I grab some eggs. Say it with me. I grab some eggs. I check the expiration date. Repeat. I check the expiration date. I crack the eggs into a bowl. Say it again. I crack the eggs into a bowl. I whisk them with a fork. Repeat. I whisk them with a fork. I put bread in the toaster. Say it with me. I put bread in the toaster. I take a pan and set it on the stove. Repeat. I take a pan and set it on the stove. I add a little oil. Say it again. I add a little oil. I pour in the eggs. Repeat. I pour in the eggs. They sizzle. Say it with me. They sizzle. I stir the eggs slowly. Repeat. I stir the eggs slowly. Scrambled eggs today. Say it again. Scrambled eggs today. I check the toast. Repeat. I check the toast. I spread butter on it. Say it with me. I spread butter on it. I open the cupboard. Repeat. I open the cupboard. I take out a plate. Say it again. I take out a plate. I set everything down. Repeat. I set everything down. I sit at the table. Say it with me. I sit at the table. I take a deep breath. Repeat. I take a deep breath. Mornings like this are my favorite. Say it again. Mornings like this are my favorite. No rush. Just quiet. Repeat. No rush. Just quiet. I take the first bite. Say it with me. I take the first bite. I needed this. Repeat. I needed this. Let's eat. Say it again. Let's eat. You just made breakfast in English. You're not just learning, you're using your voice. You're living it. What's the first thing you say in your kitchen? Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear it. And if you're enjoying this series, hit subscribe, because in the next days we clean and organize in English. See you in day 4.